Eat lunch? Eat lunch? You eat? Okay, very good. Okay. So today, teacher Anne decided to change the materials. You will be having movers because level 2 is easy for you. Okay, so I will have movers. Let us try this. Okay, so Kate, we have hop. What is this?
Hop.
Okay, hop. Okay, hop like you hop. Oh, this one.
Hop.
Skate.
Okay, do you know how to skate? Skate.
Skate.
Okay, this one.
Skip.
Skip. Skipping rope. Skipping rope. Oh, you skip. Oh, yeah, skipping rope. Linda, no. Linda, no. Mai is playing skipping rope. Okay, next one.
Skip.
We have
Walk.
walk. Okay, walk. I walk. I walk. Okay. Next,
Walk.
jump.
Jump.
Jump. Okay. Jump. Next,
Jump.
I
Dance.
dance. Oh, do you know how to dance, Kate? Dance. Oh. Yeah. I forgot you are a dancer. Oh, can you show me how to dance? Show me. Okay. You send me video, ha? Kate, you send me video that you are dancing. Okay? Oh, I am so yeah, later, after the class, you send video that you are dancing. Okay, teacher will be happy. I want to see. Okay?
Dance.
Dance. You do like that. I don't know. Yes, teacher don't know. Okay, this one. Oh, how about this?
Run.
Run. Okay, this one.
Run.
Roller skate.
Oh,
Roller skate.
roller skate. Okay, do you know roller skate?
Batting.
Roller skate.
Oh, this one. Ice
Skate.
Oh, so when you have or when it's winter, there is an ice. We use ice skate. Okay,
Ice
next
skate.
one. Okay, so look up here. Listen, ha. Listen to teacher. Okay, we use present. Okay, look at this. Can you please read this, Kate? Read number 1. My
mother is cooking at the kitchen.
Okay. My mother is cooking at the kitchen. Okay. The verb here, look at this. This is S. S, Kate. S because mother, look at the mother. Mother is only how many mother? How many mother? Only?
One mother.
Very good. It's only one mother, teacher. Oh, that is why we use S. Okay? Only one mother. That is why we use S. Only one mother, huh? Only one mother. Okay, next one. Okay. My mother
Isn't
isn't
at
or
the
is not cooking.
is not
Cooking at the
at
kitchen.
the kitchen.
Okay, so this is not. Okay, next. Can you please read?
Is your mother cooking at the kitchen?
Is your mother cooking at the kitchen? Again. Kate, is
Your
mother
Is your mother cooking
at the kitchen? Oh, very good. Correct, correct, correct. Okay. So here we call this, Kate, as positive. Okay, positive. Okay. My mother is cooking at the kitchen. Positive. Okay, wait, I will erase. Okay. This is positive. Mother, one mother, one, only a one. We use S. One, S. Singular. Okay, next. My mother, negative, is not cooking at the kitchen. Is not, that's negative. Look at this. There is not. Okay? Okay? Next, Kate. Is your mother cooking at the kitchen?
Yes.
This is question. Okay. Question. Okay, listen. Teacher will make a question. Kate is playing outside. Okay.
Outside.
Yeah. Kate is, this is, what is this? Positive.
Positive.
Okay, this one like this,
Positive.
positive. Next. Kate is not. Sorry. Playing outside. Okay, this is negative. This is negative. Okay, this one. Okay, next is question. Question. Okay. Is.
Question.
Again, question is Kate.
Is Kate
Next. Play.
playing outside?
Very good. Okay. Is Kate playing outside? This is question. Okay. Question. Why? Question, teacher, because there is question mark. This one. Okay, this is question mark. We call it question mark. Okay? You understand, Kate? You understand? Okay? Kate?
Okay.
You understand, Kate? Okay, next one, Kate. Next, we have, okay, look at this. Okay, look at her spelling. Okay, in the spelling, look at cook.
Cooking.
Cooking. Oh, you add ing. Oh, how about play? How about play? Oh, what will happen to play? What is play?
Playing.
Play is playing. Okay, very good. Okay, adding. Okay. This one, make. What happened to make? Making. Oh, I am making cookie. Oh, do you like cookie? I am making cookie. Cookie. Okay. Do you like cookie? Okay, next. Have. It's having. Have. It's having. Okay, next we have verbs ending in a consonant. Okay, look at consonant. These are consonant. Y, X, Y. Okay, these are consonant. Okay, the vowel, oh, look at her. This is vowel Letters.
Letter.
Okay. A, E, I, O, and U. Okay. These are the vowel letters in alphabet. English alphabet. All the letter are consonant. Okay, here. B, C, D, what else? F, G, H, what else? K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, and Y. So all of this, Kate, all of this consonant. These five letters are vowel. 5 letters are vowel. Okay? The 5 letters are vowel. Okay?
Okay.
Yes, very good. Okay, yay. Okay, so look at this. Okay, so when it is consonant, look at this one. Kate. Okay, consonant ha. Okay, so get up. Okay, get. Vowel or consonant? Letter T. Vowel or consonant? This one, letter T. Is letter T vowel or consonant? It is? Kate, can you see this, Kate? Can you see the screen? Can you see the screen? Can you see? Screen. Can you see the screen?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Look at letter T.
Yes.
Here, teacher. Letter T, teacher. Oh, I will put it yellow. Oh, this one, ha? Oh, sorry. The vowel. Oh, I have to put it color yellow. Okay, this one, letter T. Okay, letter T. Vowel or consonant?
Getting.
Oh, getting. Okay, getting. Look at letter T, the one here. Letter T. Look at letter T. This one, letter T. Letter T. Vowel or consonant? This is consonant. Consonant letters. Oh, so what happened? What happened if it is consonant? We will double. Look at T, T. Getting. Getting. Okay? Okay, here. N. N is consonant. Consonant. Oh, what will happen? B, you read.
Consonant.
Okay, you read. B, beginning.
Bending.
Again. Again, Kate. Okay, you read it. Getting up. Again. Okay, getting up.
Getting up.
Okay, beginning.
Beginning.
Okay, so here. Next one. Okay, let's move to the next. Oh, let us answer. Okay. Okay, this one. Add. Okay, Kate. It's your time to add. Okay, example, Kate. Hopping. Okay, number 2. Please write the answer here. All right. Okay, right here. Right.
Right.
Okay, go. You can do it, Kate.
Jing.
You right here, right beside, right here.
Skating. Skipping.
Oh, very good, Kate. Yay. Oh, jumping.
Walk. Okay. Okay. Yes. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Okay. This one.
Okay. Oh, skate and skating. Very good. Oh, I will check. I will check. I will put a check. Tang, tang, tang. Three. It is. Skipping. Oh, wait, it is. Oh, okay. Skipping. Correct. Yay. Next. Running. Oh, very good, Kate. Dance. Very good, Kate. Jump it. Jumping. 1P. 1P only. Okay. Walking. Yay. Okay. How many scores? Very good,
One
Kate, huh?
B. Jumping
Yeah,
is
yeah, yeah.
1 P.
1, 2, 3, 4. This one, jumping, only 1P. Okay? So, scores of Kate is how many scores? It's 6/7. Oh, great job. Oh, wait. Yay. Hey, very good. Yay.
Great.
Oh, I will send and then I will give it to your mom first. Okay, thank you. Very good. Okay, wait me, huh? So I will send it in the Zillow first. Okay, great job, Kate. Very good. Da, 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 da. Ta-da-da. Okay, next one. Okay, yay. Next, let us continue the activity. Oh, look at this. Oh, we have here, okay, what can you see in the picture? What can you see in the picture?
I
Okay.
can see the. I can.
Hi. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now, please, what is doing? Oh, wait, wait. Okay, let us, wait, listen. Okay, let us listen. Oh, you put a line. Oh, you put a line to the correct picture to who is me, Eva, Tom, Sue, Dan, Jane, Pat, Jack, Jill, and Sam. Okay, you put a line. Okay, ready? You listen, listen. Okay.
1A. Watch us.
Okay.
We're moving. Listen and draw lines.
Jack's good at jumping. He's really great. And look, Sue's hopping on square number 8. Can you see Jack? Can you see Sue?
Yes, I can. Sue's dress is blue.
Jane's roller skating. She's going round and round. And watch Sam skipping in our new playground. Can you see Jane? Can you see Sam? Are you looking?
Yes, I am.
Dan's good at dancing. 1, 2, 3. And there's Pat. He's funny. He's climbing our tree. Can you see Dan? Can you see Pat?
Yes, I can. Pat's wearing a hat.
Tom's very good at running. He runs all day. But Jill likes walking and talking with her best friend May. Jump, hop, skate, skip, dance, climb or run.
We all love moving and having lots of fun.
Hey, you put a line? Okay. So, example.
Again.
Okay, wait, Jack is the jumping boy. Okay. Okay, this is Jack.
Boy.
Okay, please do a line. Put a line. Okay, again, listen again. One more. Listen.
Yeah.
Okay.
1A.
Listen again.
Watch us. We're moving. Listen and draw lines.
Jack's good at jumping. He's really great. And look, Sue's hopping on square number 8. Can you see Jack? Can you see Sue?
Yes, I can. Sue's dress is blue.
Jane's roller skating. She's going round and round. And watch Sam skipping in our new playground. Can you see Jane? Can you see Sam? Are you looking?
Yes, I am.
Dan's good at dancing. 1, 2, 3. And there's Pat. He's funny. He's climbing our tree. Can you see Dan? Can you see Pat?
Yes, I can. Pat's wearing a hat.
Tom's very good at running. He runs all day. But Jill likes walking and talking with her best friend May. Jump, hop, skate, skip, dance, climb or run.
We all love moving and having lots of fun.
Mhm.
Okay?
Teacher.
Okay now? First, Jack is the jumping boy. Next, Sue. Where is Sue here? Sue is the hopping girl. Yay. Okay, next. Where is Jane? Jane, where's Jane? Jane is the, okay, you put Jane. Jane is the roller skating girl. Oh, where's Jane? Oh, you put line to Jane. This is
This?
Jane. Here. Oh, you put line now. Okay, very good. Next. Okay, Sam. Where is Sam? Sam. Oh,
Yes,
Sam
Sam
is
is
the skipping girl. Oh, you put line. You put line to Sam.
this.
Okay, where's Sam? Where's Sam? Okay, very good. Sam is here. Okay, correct. Next one. Where is Dan? The dancing boy. Where's Dan? Let me see. Very good. Very good, Kate. Okay, 6, Kate. Okay, Pat, climbing boy. Oh, where's Pat? You put line to Pat. Pat is the climbing boy.
This.
Okay, you put Pat, climbing boy. Yes, let me see. Okay, very good. Yay! How many correct answers? You've got 6/6. Perfect. Okay, yay. Great job, Kate. Yeah. Oh, very good. Wow, you're doing great. Where's the emoticon of teacher here? Where's the line of teacher? So I will give you the line. What's this? Perfect. And is teacher line. What's this? It's options. It's hooray. Okay, it doesn't have a line here. Okay, perfect, Kate. Very good. Okay, I will have to 10. Okay, very good, Kate. Next one. Okay? Oh.
Okay.
Okay, you understand? Understand? Okay?
Yes.
Yay. Yes, very good. Okay, next time. Oh, we have so many. Okay. So we still have Tom, the running boy. Where's Tom? Okay,
Tom,
it's here.
the
Running Tom is the running boy. How about Jill? Where's Jill?
Jill is walking.
Walking girl. Oh, this one is Jill. This one. Okay. Where is May?
Man.
May, where's May here? May is the walking girl with M. Oh, where's May? With M. It is here. This is May. Okay, this one is May. The walking girl with letter M. May. M. Okay, next one. Okay, look at this. Okay, read and write the names. Okay, read and write the names, huh? Okay, do you know their names? Okay, Jack, good at jumping. And, okay,
And
underline. And jumping. Okay, verb, action. Jumping. Okay, and look. Hopping. Who is hopping? Who is hopping?
Hopping. Hopping.
Okay, can you check who is hopping? Hopping, hop, hop. It is? Okay. Skating. Who is skating? Skating.
Là quát.
It is Jane.
Cô.
Jane. Jane is skating. Next. Sue. Who is
Jane.
skipping? Skipping. Skipping rope. Who is skipping? Skipping is who? Who is skipping?
The Sam.
Sam. Very good. Okay. Okay. Now, who is climbing? Climbing. Ting, ting, ting. Climbing.
Climbing.
Climbing is
Climb. Cat.
Pat. Very good. Okay. Who is running? Who is running?
Tom.
Tom is running. Who is walking?
The May and Chu.
May and Jill.
Jill.
Okay, very good. Who are moving? Move. Who are moving?
Movie.
Oh.
The
Moving is
Dan.
okay. It is okay. Moving. Moving is okay. We all love moving. All of them are moving. Okay. Moving, it means you move. You jump, you hop, you skate, you skip, you climb, you run, you walk. Moving. Okay. Now, listen up. Okay. Sue is hopping. Oh, okay. Now, Kate answered. Look, Sue is hopping. Now, skating. You write the answer here. Write the name.
Okay.
Write the name.
Okay.
Sorry.
Skate. Skate.
Okay, you write
Okay.
the name, huh? Put here.
Okay. Shane. Shane.
Okay, very good. Jane is skating. Okay, very good. Okay, later I will check.
Two. But very the Tom. Shane. Okay. Oh, no. And there's Stephanie. Okay, teacher.
Okay.
Oh,
Two.
oh,
Oh, very good. Answer? Finished? Okay. Jane is roller skating. Very good. Hey, correct. Hey, two. Next is Sam is skipping. Very good. Okay. Great job. Wait me, wait me. Next. Okay. Don is exercising. Hey. And Pat. How about Pat? Pat is?
eh,
Okay. He's funny. He's climbing our tree. Climb the tree. Next. Okay. Okay. It's Tom. Very good at running. Okay. He runs all day. Okay. But May likes, okay, walking. And her best friend, okay, Jill. Okay, Jill and May, huh? The same. Jill and May. Yay, very good. Okay, next one. Okay, perfect, correct. Okay, score. Your score is? What's the score?
curly.
Okay, perfect. Wait, score is? Wait, I will check. Check, check, check,
Egg.
check, check. Okay, and Sue and Sam and Pat. I will count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, you have 8/8 score. 8/8. Okay, perfect score. I will send it to your mom. Yay! Great job. Very good. Great job. Great, good. Great job.
Great.
Okay. Very good, Kate. Okay, see? You're doing great. Okay, thanks. Okay, I will send it to your mom. Okay? So next one, we have another activity. Okay, next one. Okay, so this one. Now, okay, we have the puzzle game. Oh, we have the puzzle game. Yung ating nakapurma man po. Okay, find the letters to spell the missing moving word. Okay, we have here the moving word. Can you see? And Pat is climbing. Look at Pat. Pat is climbing in the moving word. Okay, can you see Pat? Look at Pat. Pat is climbing. Okay, first, what here? Okay. Find the moving words. Okay, walk. Okay, you try to find words, huh? Try to find words. Okay, try to find word. Example is walk. Oh, you put a line. Okay, go, Kate. Very smart, girl. Oh, you put a line here.
Dance. Sketch. Jump.
Okay. Jump. Okay.
Hop. Run. No. Just run. Skip.
Mhm.
Okay.
Okay, very good. Let me see. Okay, skate. Correct. Jumped. Correct. Okay. Hop. Correct. Run. Correct. Skip. Dance. Okay. So now, what words? Okay, you find, huh? What letters? The other letters in the circle are I, M, L, N, I, C, and G. Which moving word can you spell with this letter? What is this letter? This one. You try to arrange.
Run.
Oh. Can you arrange?
Jumping.
What is this?
The
Go, Kate.
this the this climbing teacher climbing
Okay, climbing. Wow. Let me see. Let me see. Oh, no, no, no. One letter. Oh, there is B. Wow, there is no B. Climbing. Okay.
climbing
Climbing. What is the other letter? Oh, you think more, more. It's climbing. It's climbing. Huh?
climb doing this teacher
Mm-hmm. It is. Okay, answer. Teacher will answer. It is climbing. Very good. Oh, your answer is correct because there's already letter B. Yay! You understand? Climbing. Oh, very smart, Kate. Yay, Kate. Okay, great job, Kate. You're doing great. Very good. Yay. You answer it very nicely. Okay, great job. Okay, so this one. Okay. Wait, ha. Okay, great job. Okay. Next one, we have another activity. Okay, very good, Kate. Very good. Okay, look at this. The boy, Kate, is, oh,
wait me second
okay, yeah, wait.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Look and read and write. Okay. Example. Down. Complete the sentences 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The boy in the orange jacket is who? This one. Who is this? Who is the boy in the orange jacket? The boy in the orange jacket is who?
Tom.
Tom? Okay. Okay. It's Tom. And Tom is running. Okay. At the front of the picture, you can see, what is this?
The
A blue bike. Okay,
Bike.
next. Okay. One girl is skipping. What color are her trousers? Okay. One girl are skipping. What color are her
red.
trousers? It's color
red.
red, teacher. It's color red. Okay, very good. It's color red. Okay. What is the girl with the red balloon? What is the girl with the red balloon? Red balloon. What's this?
Skating.
It's hating. Okay. Yes. She is smiling. She is happy or not happy? Is the girl happy or not happy? The girl is happy. Look at this one. The girl is happy or not happy?
Hopping.
Okay. Okay. So the girl is not happy. Oh, the girl is no. The girl is happy. She is Kate. Look at the girl with a star. Oh, there is a star in her shirt. She is happy. Okay, she is happy. Her name is, what is the name?
Is Tom.
No, 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 no. The girl. The girl is, what's the name of the girl? The girl
Is Shane.
okay, Jane. Very good. Okay, yay. Okay, Kate. We don't have enough time. Teacher Anne will say goodbye, okay? I will see you tomorrow, okay? I will see you tomorrow, okay? Please don't be absent tomorrow, okay? Okay? Thank you so much, and I will see you tomorrow. Today, you're doing great. Very good. I will tell your mom, that you will be in movers. Okay. Wait, I will tell your mom. Okay, we will have to. Okay, we move movers. Oh,